Updating your payment information on Outlook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing details are current. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your device or navigate to the Outlook website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment and Billing. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payment information. In the Payment and Billing section, you will see your existing payment methods. Click on Edit next to the payment method you want to update or select Add a payment method to enter new information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated payment information, make sure to review it for accuracy. Click the Save button to confirm your changes and ensure your payment details are updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current in Outlook. Regularly checking and updating your billing details can help avoid any interruptions in service.